What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the C Midas channel. My son just got a new GTi, so I guess you could call this the father-son project 2.0. It's a 2009 GTi. It has the 2.0T 4-cylinder turbo, and it has the DSG transmission. He just got it last week, so we're just now being able to go over the car, see what it's missing, see what it needs and everything. I just replaced this mirror, and you can see some of the fender wells and stuff are missing, and I just saw that it already had coilovers on it. It looks like it's I don't know what brand it is, but they're adjustable, so that's a plus. So I went and got the fender liners and stuff from the junkyard to replace. Got them an engine seal, fog light grills, but I went ahead and bought new fog lights and grills because the glass is missing off of these. And you can see it's got an oil leak from somewhere, so I'm about to pressure wash all of that and do an oil change and see if we can see where the leak is coming from. But this is it, new project. Has a plaid interior, so we'll be going over that. The headliner's coming down. Other than that, the car seems pretty much stock except for the coilovers. And I'll be looking at a brake upgrade for this. But, you know, we went out for a drive and I hit the brakes, and it could be the pads or something, but just feel like it needs better brakes. So I have the Mark IV R32 dual piston brake kit that I might be able to get to fit this car. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, and then we'll get back to you guys and go over the car, see how it looks after we're done. Just got the fender liners out, the old one. They're all torn up. Sorry for all the noise, my son's vacuuming. As you can see, these have brake cooler ducts incorporated to them. That's why I went ahead and got these to replace the old broken one. Well, we got a lot of old tree stuff to take out, so I'm about to pressure wash everything, and then get back with y'all so you guys see everything. Look at all the dirt that's coming off of the motor. All this was just pitch black before. We got most of it off. Kind of see it. Alright, you guys, we just finished changing the oil. We got all the covers back on the bottom of the car, so he's looking good there. So we got the new ones in. You see they have a cooler ducts for the brakes. I didn't know they had that. But his front balance is broken, so I'm gonna have to get him another one. But all the covers are on the bottom and everything, and got everything pressure washed. I'm gonna have to go over the motor again. I'm gonna have to do a detail. But that's gonna be about it for this video for now. I ordered more fog lights and new grills because this didn't have any. At first I got these from the junkyard, but when they came today, one of them was broken. So I'm gonna have to file a complaint, and they'll send me new ones. See, I got the new grills right there. So it'll probably come in the mail next week or something like that. Then we actually found a new speed rear sway bar for this car for sale online. So we're about to go pick that up. So we're probably be installing that in the next video, and then planning out for some more upgrades for this. But look at all the gunk that came off of the motor. Makhi's over there pressure washing everything. All of that came off of this. And then the owners had some ugly leather seat covers on the seat. The seats aren't torn up or anything, except for right there. It's not super bad, but Makhi vacuumed everything out. We gotta replace the cigarette lighter fuse, but that's about it for now. So we're gonna start planning some upgrades for this, and we'll see you guys back in the next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share, and you know, just give us some suggestions and stuff of what we should do to this. He wants to do a wrap, so I told him to start looking up online to see what some other GTIs look like so he can get his head around an idea for it. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.